I'm Trundle, the drummer from multi-quizillion selling rock band Twinkle and the Little Stars. You'll see more of the band over at our channel once our promoter works out how to switch his computer on. But I'm here to tell you about my top 10 favourite numbers. While we count up to 100 in the corner here, keep watching the counter and shout if it goes wrong. And hold on, because it's going to be quite a ride. This is number 1. It's unique and original. It's like a piece of art. If you've got one, you don't want to lose it. Oh no. Can you borrow mine? No, because I've only got one. I like to keep mine in its original packaging, sealed in an airtight container in a safe in a locked room guarded by a dragon. Take my advice, look after your one, because without it you can't start counting. 2s are great, they keep everything balanced. If you've got 2s, there's always one for each side, no matter how many you add. If you add them to an even number, it stays even. If you add them to an odd number, it stays odd. If you add them to a cake, well, it's still a cake, but I am working on a theory of cake-based maths to explain why parents say there are always no cakes when you know there are definitely cakes. I don't know why I've put 3 in here. I hate 3s. 3s are bad. Bad. They make me sick. Look at this one. Sitting here like it owns the place. You make me sick, 3. I hate you. All bulgy in the middle and sharp and sticky out at the edges. Are you round or are you spiky? Make up your mind. You make me sick. Get out of here. Oh, 4. I love 4. I don't mind telling you. 4 is like a summer's day. It's like, you know, when you wake up in the morning and you put in a brand new set of fully charged batteries. Oh, you don't know. Maybe it's just me then. Anyway, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 2 times 2, and 8 minus 4, and 256 times 0.015625. How great is that? I love 4s. I don't even mind their triangle shape, which has 3 sides instead of 4. 5. To tell you the truth, I'm a little bit scared of 5s. They're a little bit frightening, aren't they, with their flat tops and their bulgy bottoms? I'm sure they're planning something. What do you think? I'm scared. So scared. When 2 of them get together, it's like 10. And then, before you know it, it's 15 and then 20. And then, goodness knows what. Keep those 5s away from me. 6. Yeah, that's more like it. 6s are cute. I like to cuddle 6s. I have one instead of a teddy bear. 7. Forget this number. This is a secret number. Nobody's allowed to know about the number 7. Forget I ever said it. Don't remember what it looks like or what its name is. There is nothing between 6 and 8. Just forget you ever heard about 7. If you ever see one, don't tell a soul. It's 5 plus 2, but don't say anything whatever you do. 8s are great. They look like someone's done a poo on top of another poo. And they come after 7 and before 9. But you want to know why I really love 8s? This is why. Take a look at this. Nines are not so much fun. Yes, you can make them by adding 4 and 5, or by taking 1 away from 10, as if anyone in their right mind would want to do something as silly as that. But they've got a problem, and this is it. Whee! Whee! Ah! And finally, 0, naught, none, nothing, nada, zilch. Add it to something and it doesn't change. Here's a 4. I add 0. It's still a 4. I take away 0. It's still a 4. I can add 0 100 times and it's still 4. But you know what's great about 0? What's so fantastically, hypermongerously, jasmotically great about 0? Well, look at this 1. Simple little 1 sitting on its own. 1, 1, 1, minding its own business. Put a 0 on it, Now it's 10. 10. How did that happen? Put another 0 on. It's 100. Now it's 1,000. 6 zeros and it's 1,000,000. A thumb-squashing, computer-flattering, grandmother-eating million. And the more zeros you put in, the bigger it gets. And you can put as many as you like on, because nobody will stop you, because they're nothing. I like zeros. And those are my top 10 favourite numbers. What's your favourite? If you want to see more from me and the rest of the band, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the big red button at the end of the video.
Press the big red